Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all doing well. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zeeshan Jamil and I am from the Department of Zoology, Radiant College, Nankana Sahib, affiliated with Government College University, Faisalabad. It is truly honor for me to present today on an important topic related to modern biology and environmental science. As we all know, climate change is rapidly transforming our world and creating serious challenges for the survival of many species. Today, I will be discussing how epigenetics plays a crucial role in helping organisms adapt to these environmental changes. My topic is the role of epigenetic in species adaptation to climate change. Adapting to a warming world. Environmental pressures. Climate change is rapidly altering ecosystems, exerting strong pressure on survival. Traditional genetic evolution via mutation is often too slow to keep pace with these shifts. Epigenetics enables rapid and reversible molecular responses to environmental stress. Defining epigenetics. Gene expression, heritable genes expression that do not involve alterations to the underlying DNA sequence. Environmental bridge act as a link between the environment and the genome, controlling gene activity through molecular switches. Molecular mechanisms. DNA methylation, adding methyl groups to DNA to silence specific genes. Histone mode, altering chromatin structure to control gene accessibility. Non-coding RNA, regulating gene expression at the post-transcriptional level. Environmental stressors, rising temperatures, extreme drought, ocean acidity, ultraviolet radiation. These factors trigger epigenetics modification to maintain biological homeostasis and survival. Phenotypic plasticity, one genotype, many traits. Plasticity is the ability of an organism to change its phenotype in response to environmental stimuli without genetic changes. Epigenetics serve as the molecular foundation for this plasticity, allowing organisms to adjust traits like metabolism and behavior. DNA methylation, the silencing signal. Addition of methyl group to DNA, typically at cytosine phosphate group sites. This modification usually suppresses gene expression. Case in point, methylation patterns change rapidly to regulate stress response genes during the climate shifts. Histone modification. Chromatin architecture modifying the tails of histone proteins alters how tightly DNA is wrapped. Acetylation typically activates genes while deacetylation represses them. This allows for rapid gene switching in response to climate signals. Transgenerational inheritance. Inheritance epigenetic traits are passed to offspring without DNA change. Parental stress. Parents exposed to climate stressors develop epigenetic marks. Pre-adaptation offspring may be born better adapted to same stressors. Marks that escape resetting provide a multi-generational survival advantage. Case study: animal resilience. Fish rapidly adjusting metabolic rates to rising temperature. Marine biota, epigenetics, regulation against ocean acidification stress. Insects, altering development and diapause timing. Case study, plant adaptability, immobile survivors. Plants rely heavily on epigenetics because they cannot move away from stress. Modification facilitate drought resistance via gene regulation, improve water use efficiency, flowering time adjustment. Advantages of epigenetic adaptation: rapid response can occur within a single generation, unlike mutation. Reversibility: organisms can undo marks if conditions stabilize. Genome stability: no permanent sequence mutation required. Sudden stress: crucial for coping with rapid environmental fluctuations. Limitations and gaps: stability can be transient or reversible, permanent across all generations. Mechanism: molecular switches, methyl estone, DNA sequence mutation. Speed: rapid, single generation, slow, thousands of years. Future outlook: limited field studies available, well documented evolutionary path. Conclusion: epigenetics provides the short term molecular flexibility for immediate survival, while genetic evolution ensures the long term persistence of species. Synthesis of adaptation theory. Understanding this molecular bridge is vital for future conservation strategies and ensuring resilience in the face of global climate change. Thank you for your kind attention.